Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video I'll show you how you can make your laptop or computer screen in black and white, whether it may be Windows 10 or Windows 11. So see here, right now this is on my Windows 11 laptop. See here, I open Chrome and I browse through YouTube and everything on my screen is showing in black and white. You can also do this. See here, this is on my desktop wallpaper, and here also now I shifted to the color version and black and white version. You can also do this. I'll show you how you can do this on the Chrome also. I'm just toggling black and white of the screen. So to do this, click on the Windows symbol, then click on settings. This is on my Windows, so click on my Windows logo key and settings. And what you'll see is you'll just see this home button, home area, and here at the left side you'll see the option called accessibility. Tap on that accessibility, and here you'll see something like color filters. Tap on the color filters and just scroll to the bottom. You'll find an option called keyboard shortcut for color filters. So by default this option will be disabled. You need to turn it on first. Turn it on, and the combination of keys are Windows logo key plus Control plus C. We need to press and press these three buttons at the same time. See, now I pressed Windows logo key plus Control plus C on my keyboard, so it is turning from color to black and white. So if you press it once, the laptop shows you in black and white color, and if you turn this color filter off, the same keys, Windows logo key plus Control plus C, if you press this combination, your laptop will be in the color state back again. So you can also enable this option and try this combination once. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a